The VEVOR Pocket Hole Jig Kit feels impressively solid thanks to its precisely machined aluminum alloy body that resists wear and rust while keeping workpieces firmly in place. Its adjustable platform covers a generous range of material thicknesses, and the clearly marked dual scales make dialing in drilling depth quick and reliable for repeatable setups. The titanium-coated step drill bit, paired with a depth stop collar, produces clean pocket holes with far less tear-out and wandering than basic entry-level jigs. A built-in chip ejection path helps clear sawdust as you drill, so the bit cuts more efficiently and you can see your work instead of constantly stopping to clean the hole. The jig can be clamped to a bench or broken down into a more compact unit, giving do-it-yourself woodworkers flexibility for both shop furniture builds and on-site repairs. VEVOR includes matched step bits, collars, wrenches, square drive bits, and an assortment of screws and plugs, so you can start assembling strong pocket hole joints right out of the box.